Yesterday, while everyone was busy begging GPT-5, 6 Sol to spawn an army of sub-agents, I made a 3 billion parameter model that runs on a potato do the same job, for free, and it didn't hallucinate a single number. It's called a harness, and the idea is aggressively stupid. Don't make the dumb model smart, make the task so dumb the dumb model physically can't get it wrong. You take one good solve of a boring recurring task, freeze it into deterministic code, and let the cheap local model fill in only the parts that are impossible to screw up. The frontier model works once. The potato works forever. Here's the trick that actually works: deterministic injection. If a number matters, the code writes it, not the model, because you cannot miscopy a number you were never given. Tables, totals, dates, all built by boring Python. The model only writes the vibes. Then every sentence it produces slams into a grounding gate. Resolve each claim, check it against the real data, and if it invented a number or a source, regenerate. It's code review, except the reviewer is a regex. It never sleeps, and it has no feelings to spare. But the timing is sus because this should not work. A 3B model is a golden retriever that learned to type, and you'd be right to doubt it. The second the task needs actual judgment, like deciding whether a source really supports a claim, the little guy folds. I tested it. On entailment it scored a coin flip, 53%. So the harness can guarantee the model never fabricates. It absolutely cannot make it wise. Provenance, yes. Wisdom, no. So does it actually work? Cold, single shot, Llama 3. 2-3B scored 0 out of 6 on a weekly market report. Wrapped in the harness. Reliable, grounded, direction correct, 6 seconds a run and free. Then I did it 7 more times, 1 shared core, 7 harnesses, from Git logs to my Obsidian vault to the factory writing its own status report. And when I genuinely needed judgment back, 1 batch frontier call bought it, 16 times cheaper than doing it the naive way. The lesson? You don't always need the biggest model, you need the tightest loop. This thing even built a harness for itself and immediately caught me lying that a test had passed. It is July 13th, 2026, and you've been watching the machine that makes dumb models honest. Want to build your own? Comment harness and I'll send you the setup. Now smash like, or the rejects gets you.